Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the Samsung NE9100D Bespoke Induction Range, a premium kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking experience with advanced technology, stylish design, and versatile functionality. With features like precise induction cooking, smart connectivity, and customizable aesthetics, this induction range aims to be a game changer for modern kitchens. Let's dive into what makes the Samsung NE9100D stand out. Design and build quality. The Samsung NE9100D boasts a sleek and customizable design. Bespoke customization. The bespoke design allows you to customize the range with different color and material options to match your kitchen decor perfectly. Premium build. Constructed with high-quality materials, the range feels sturdy and durable, ensuring it will withstand the rigors of daily cooking. Modern aesthetics. With clean lines, a seamless glass surface, and touch controls, the NE9100D adds a modern and sophisticated touch to any kitchen. Cooking performance. The NE9100D offers top-notch cooking performance with its advanced induction technology. Induction cooktop. The induction cooktop provides precise and instant heat control, making it ideal for a variety of cooking tasks, from simmering to searing. Flex Zone. The Flex Zone feature allows you to cook multiple dishes at once by combining two cooking zones into one large surface, accommodating different pot sizes and shapes. Rapid heating. Induction technology ensures rapid heating, reducing cooking times and increasing energy efficiency compared to traditional electric or gas ranges. Oven performance. The large-capacity oven features convection cooking, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly baked and roasted dishes every time. Smart features. The NE9100D is equipped with smart features to make cooking more convenient and connected. Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control and monitor the range remotely using the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Adjust temperature, set timers, and receive notifications all from your mobile device. Voice control. Compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the range with simple voice commands. Smart cooktop. The cooktop features virtual flame technology that provides visual cues to indicate heat level, making it easier to cook with precision. Guided cooking. Access a variety of recipes and guided cooking instructions through the SmartThings app, helping you create delicious meals with ease. Safety and convenience. Safety and convenience are prioritized in the design of the NE9100D. Child lock. The child lock feature prevents accidental operation, ensuring safety in households with young children. Residual heat indicator. The cooktop displays residual heat indicators, alerting you when the surface is still hot after use. Self-cleaning oven. The oven features a self-cleaning function, making it easy to maintain and keep clean with minimal effort. Storage drawer. A built-in storage drawer provides convenient space to store pots, pans, and baking sheets. Energy efficiency. The induction technology used in the NE9100D is highly energy efficient. Induction efficiency. Induction cooking is more energy efficient than traditional methods, as it directly heats the cookware, reducing wasted energy. Eco-friendly. The range is designed to be eco-friendly, consuming less energy and producing fewer emissions. Price and value. The Samsung NE9100D Bespoke Induction Range offers excellent value for its features. Premium investment. While it comes with a higher price tag, the advanced features, smart connectivity, and customizable design make it a worthwhile investment for modern kitchens. Warranty and support. Samsung provides a standard warranty and reliable customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung NE9100D Bespoke Induction Range is a top-tier appliance that combines cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and versatile functionality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this induction range offers the precision, convenience, and smart features needed to elevate your cooking experience. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.